Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to hide phone number in the Facebook. Now for that, first of all, open the Facebook application. You need to get logged in into your account at first. You can see I have already been logged in. Now here, once you're at the Facebook page, you need to tap on your profile icon on the left side. Then you scroll down and tap on Edit Public Details. Inside Edit Profile section, you scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Inside there, you will have all the details that you have provided for your Facebook. Inside About, you will see your contact information as well. There, you just need to tap on Edit beside it. Now you will be able to make changes to the contact information. There you can see the number that you have provided for your Facebook account, and just beside there's a drop down menu. You tap on the drop down menu. There's three options available: public, friends, only me. Your Facebook phone number is currently public to everyone on Facebook. So if you want to hide it, you need to tap on only me option. Then only you will be able to hide phone numbers in your Facebook. If you tap on friends, only your friends on Facebook will be able to see the phone number on your profile. But if you want to completely hide it, you tap on only me option, and with this you need to tap on the save at the very bottom. Tap on save. Now the information has been saved and updated. This is the way how you can hide the phone number on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.